Hi, Dominika here, your vocal coach from Singing Carrots. I'm here today to show you how to use our pitch accuracy test. Before I begin, I just want to explain you why it's important to use a pitch accuracy test. First of all, for beginners, pitch accuracy tests offer a tangible way to measure progress and set goals. They help track improvements over time and provide a structured approach to learning how to control your pitch. Another reason is that a pitch accuracy test helps singers identify how accurately they can match and maintain musical pitches. This skill is vital for singing in tune, and we all want to be able to do that. All right, let's go ahead and select pitch accuracy test. All right, I'm here. The first thing I see is a question adjusting the test. It's basically asking me what level I am. Whatever feels like you, go ahead and click it. I am going to choose the first one because not everybody is a professional singer on this website. All right, second question, which kind of voice do we test? In this case, it's a female voice. Before we begin, you do need to have your headphones on. You cannot do this test without your headphones. It will not work. So make sure you put your headphones in, and as soon as you do, go ahead and click I have my headphones on. All right, what do we have here? We have step 2 out of 3 in my case. It's a level 0 pitch accuracy test. You have 2 options. You can listen or test. Obviously, we're going to listen. I'm going to click listen and we'll see what comes out. Okay, so I heard 3 pitches going up and then down. My task now is to sing them and correctly place them on the piano. This little thing that you see here, the red ones, they're showing me where my pitch right now is in terms of the piano. During listening, you can go ahead and try and sing with it. Let's do practice. Go ahead and sing it on do, la, oo, ah, whatever you like. I am ready to test. So I'm gonna go ahead and press test. When I do, I'm gonna hear countdown of 4. Those are 4 beats that count me off to start singing. Here we go. Did you notice that some of the pitches were green, a little bit yellow? Whenever I was hitting the note precisely, it was green. Whenever I was a little off pitch or not as accurate, it was turning orange. But still, a good warm-up. I got 5 out of 5. I'm gonna continue. Now, step 3 out of 3. We're gonna listen again. Okay, well, this one is way longer. If you need to, go ahead and listen to it again and sing along until you feel that you're ready to do it on your own. I'm gonna go ahead and test. All right, I hit 15 out of 15 notes. I'm getting also a detailed analysis of how sustained my notes were. That means how well did I stay on that pitch. Precision 96, how precise I was on those pitches. This game has more levels. Are you ready for the next challenge? After you click continue, it will bring you to our pitch practice game and you'll be able to practice more. I hope this tutorial helped and you're about to go and practice on your own. Keep singing.